Hello and welcome to Unit 4 Algebra 4. In this video we will be giving an example and solving exercises about the change of subject. In the change of subject we will go through 4 separate equations that we will solve and find out the values of the variables. So for the first one we have 2y minus 4 equal 2. So the purpose of this equation is to find the value of the subject, and in such case our subject is the variable y, so we need to find the value of y. It says that 2y minus 4 equal 2. So the first thing you're going to have to do is to take the minus 4 that is right next to the 2y and bring it to the other side of the equal. Keep in mind, when you jump numbers from one side of the equal to the other, its sign switches. So a minus 4 on the left side is going to become a plus 4 on the other side. So we're going to end up with 2y equal 2 plus 4, which is 2y equals 6. Now let's get rid of the 2 that is right next to the y. So we divide both sides of the equal by 2. So y equals 6 over 2, which is 3. So now we have the value of the variable y. Let's move on to the next equation. 3x plus 2 equals 5. Same goes here. The subject in such case is the variable x, and we need to find the value of x. So first things first, get rid of the plus 2 through subtracting 2 from both sides of the equal. So it's going to be 3x equals 5 minus 2. And now 3x is going to be equal to 3. Now let's get rid of the 3 that is right next to the x through dividing both sides of the equal by 3. So x is going to be equal to 3 over 3. So x is equal to 1. So there you go. 1 is the value of the variable x. And that would be the solution. Now, x plus a equal to 3. So we know that the subject in such case is x. We need to find the value of x no matter what do we have in the equation. So first things first, take a to the other side of the equal. So x equal to 3 minus a and not plus a. And this is going to be basically the solution since we can subtract a, which is an unknown number, from 3. But that would be good for x since we already have a value for x. Same thing goes here. We need to find the value of y and not of x at first. So y is the subject. So first things first, get rid of the y. Get rid of the minus 4 that is right next to the 2y through adding 4 to both sides of the equal. So it's going to be 2y equal to 3x plus 4. And now we need to get rid of the 2 that is right next to the y through dividing both sides of the equal by 2. So 2y over 2 is equal to 3x plus 4 over 2. And now y is equal to, keep in mind that you can divide this fraction into its two parts, as if you're saying 3x over 2 plus 4 over 2. It's the same, but it makes things a bit more simpler. Now let's even make this equation a bit simpler. And there you go, there's the rule. A plus b over c is the same thing as a over c plus b over c. And now let's move on. We have y equal 3x over 2 plus 4 over 2. So y equal to 3 over 2x plus 4 over 2, which is 2. And that would be the solution of y. That's all, and thanks for watching.